What is going on, you guys? I'm back doing a video. This time I'm about to do a little tutorial on how you do the swoop on your puff, you feel me? This is my first time doing this, y'all, so I'm a little hype, but it's featuring the one and only Melanin Gold. Wait, I saw it. Y'all see it? Okay, I got it. Wait, did I get it? Jesus. Okay, I got it. Okay, featuring the one and only Melanin Gold Edge / Hair Tamer, you feel me? It did this right here, y'all. It did this. It did that. It did this. It did that. It did this.
A few moments later.
It did this. It did that. Swoop. Okay, I'm about to show you how to do that. Shout out to ohiageethebrand, y'all. They sent me this t-shirt for your girl. So did Melanin Gold. They sent your girl some Edge Tamer. They blessed my edges. So let's get straight to it.
Cash.
She back. Okay, y'all, so first of all, I have the back of my head cut now. It's been cut for a while, so I'm gonna put the ponytail here. I can't do a low one anymore, so that's what we're about to do. But I'm doing a swoop as well. I had a twist out. I had twist in a few days ago, and I took them out. But when I did my twist out, I had a bang and I had a high puff. But I just pulled it all up when I went to go shower. There's not too much buildup going on my hair, so I'm just gonna keep it like this till the weekend. The weekend your girl is washing it. First, I am parting the part I plan on swooping. So excuse if I have any flakiness. It's from the gel that I use for my twist out. Yeah, you see it there. I don't want too much out actually, so let me make this a little bit smaller. This is my first time doing a swoop, you guys. I'm doing a lot of first times with you guys. Like, I don't know if that's smart or what. I don't know if you appreciate that or what. I did a little research before I did some research for y'all. So, we're not going to be too tacky. Clip that here, and then I'm going to actually put it right here. Taking my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. This is the only I look a mess. This is the only, okay, let me just, yo, I got pride. This is the only Eco Styler Gel that I use, so, yeah. Sorry, my pride was getting in the way just now, because that was not cute. Freaking love this gel, y'all. There we go. Y'all see the work? Y'all see it doing its job? We love to see it. We love to see gel do its job, honey. So we're about to slick all this down. Yo, are y'all proud of me? Look at my hair. I don't even have to do sections anymore. Like, all I need is the one scrunchie. That's it. That's all. Well, I don't need one scrunchie, but I don't need to do sections when I do my puff anymore. We slick there. We slick here. We is slick everywhere, darling. We don't like no lumps in our puffs. Is this how it's supposed to look? I don't know, but I have 4C here, so we can't come through this first. We gotta come through this first. Hold on. Let me come with this. Ooh, that hurt just like this, man.
Like that.
I'm a very indecisive girl, so if you're new to this channel, you're gonna get a light of that from me. Why bam. Okay, we got it. That's how we about to do it, okay? Hold on. We gotta hurry up before it dries. You gotta be strong to have natural hair for real.
Like that.
See, that's the move, honey. That is the move, you see it.
Like that.
Okay, we still look a mess, but that is about to change. hair is all curling up and I don't know what I'm doing. Period. I don't know what I'm doing. I got a question. Is this normal? Should it look like this? Did I do it wrong? I don't think I did. We are about to go in before this dries up with Hair and Edge Tamer Long Lasting Hold and Shine. Wait, where it go? Where it go? Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing with this hairstyle, but we about to slay it. Your girl was that confident, and I just feel like I slay everything I do, whether or not I know what I'm doing or not. You should feel that way too. Let me do these edges. I'm about to take sides out a little bit.
Like that.
I'm going the wrong way. It's never going to focus, like, ever. Okay.
Like that.
Yup. Yup. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? Okay. And we about to tie this thing up. I think I need to go over that part, but other than that, it's laid down. This is what Oh, I forgot to say that I put a puff on my head after, well, before I tied it up, I put my puff on. And this is a puff that I made by hand with crochet hair. I have a video on how I do that. Still need to do an update one for you guys. I will be doing that soon. I keep forgetting. Well, I actually haven't made me a new one ever since the last time I made. Well, I didn't do that one on camera, but this one is the same one that y'all saw from when I did my slick bun. So if that makes you guys feel better, just know I haven't made a new puff. I actually cut this one down because it's too much. I cut this one down because it was like some hair was getting straight. Mind you, it's crochet hair. See, it's right there. It's crochet hair, so some of it is gonna get straight after a while. I have to let this lay down a little longer. Put my scarf on a little bit for some of these parts. Other than that, it looks good for my first time, right? And this edge control is freaking bomb. Same for this side. I don't get extra, I just get some excess edge control that could be on this brush. Ooh. I love this. I love this edge control, honey. And we're gonna let this lay down a little bit. But I likes this. Okay. Melanin Gold edge slash hair tamer. Anyway, want to give a huge shout out to Melanin Gold LL. Honey, why aren't you focusing? Huge shout out to Melanin Gold Edge Tamer. You did that, honey. You did. Look what you did. You did this. Huge shout out to ohiageethebrand. You feel me? Sending your girl a t-shirt. Check them out. Both of them be linked below. This right here, honey, I don't know. The angel was whispering in your ear as you was making this, because this is God sent. You did that. I didn't tell y'all, but your girl became vegan like a month ago. So I'm still like amateur at it, but this made me happy. This made me happy. You see that? We can't focus it, but it don't matter. It say vegan and it's alcohol, cause alcohol be drying your hair out. It's alcohol free, y'all. This thing did this. Ooh, we love to see it. We love to see it. I can't get it back in, but it's exclusive, man. And look, Melanin Gold Beauty. Go check it out. Period. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below, choice next to the peace. Deuces. See you guys in the next video.
Cash.